feeling nice and relaxed. Relaxing any way you wish, knowing that there is no rule book to relax. It's just whatever is suiting you at any given moment. And it's okay to be who you are, how you are, and where you are right now. In fact, as time goes by, each moment that passes, you always take with you your breath. And the breath that you breathe each moment of your life, it is your life. Sometimes I can't distinguish which is more real, the heart that beats or the breath that breathes. And as you let go of anything that isn't comfortable right now, let go of any thoughts, ideas, even any sensations that are not complete comfort at this given moment. You can turn all of your attention inwards. Quite often, the outwards hijacks your attention as you're always looking out there. But today, and at this very moment, look inside and go exploring. Isn't it nice to know that the most amazing, technical, complicated, and sophisticated structure amongst all of the universe actually sits inside of your head, your brain. So much more capable that you could even understand, beyond comprehension. There are pathways you'll never even get the opportunity to explore. Absolutely all of your life has been made up of you learning, unlearning, relearning, and so on. Nothing stays the same. All of these learnings and unlearnings are contributing to the changes that you make in your life. You change in ways that you can't even recognize. And you will continue to change in ways that you cannot even predict. Sometimes things go really well, and sometimes things get shaken up. Sometimes things don't go so well, except when they do. And there's all these different areas of your life that you work on, and they just improve. And then there's other areas that sometimes just sit with no improvement, except when they do. You see, all of you is a work in progress. For you yourself, you are a process. Ever changing, continuously evolving. Are you or are you not a creation right now? Even the stillness in your own legs, the comfort of where you sit, the embrace of the music and my soothing voice supports different structures within you and different structures on the outside of you too. You are a constant ball of energy even when you're sitting still. Cells inside of your body are being rapidly replaced every minute of the day. Oxygen in your body continues to be transported to many different places, organs, blood vessels, everywhere. And there's one variable between those who achieve what they desire and those who don't. At any given moment, you are in charge of how you wish to be, to behave. to create how you wish to feel, and then to influence your thoughts. Some people don't realize that they are in charge of so much. We can consciously create habits and rituals, which I like to call practice. It only makes sense that after rehearsing moments of your day according to how you wish them to be, that eventually this becomes unconsciously automatic. Some people think that it's too hard to change. And when they do change and things are going well, they think it's too hard to make more progress. I like to think maintenance is wonderful. Maintenance itself is progress. Practice the version of you that you wish to be, and allow the surprises to continuously fall into place. Imagine. Allow your imagination now to have the opportunity to participate into what you wish to create for your future. Visualize yourself, how you wish to feel. Visualize yourself, how you wish to behave. And visualize yourself thinking differently. It's almost like our work is never done. But all you ever needed to do is just do one thing at a time. All you needed to do is pay a little bit of attention to your nutrition. To your exercise. To your sleep. To your interactions. To having fun and me time. to do a little bit of planning, to plan responses, to plan reactions. To plan how you choose to redesign a new way of thinking. New way of being. So continue making progress. However fast you choose. And just when you think things are just okay, good enough, then you know you're still progressing even with that sentence. So take a few cleansing breaths, feeling nice and relaxed. Slowly begin to awaken your body by wiggling your fingers and your toes. As you continue over the next few hours and days to become curious about how much more progress you can invite. Eyes open, that's right.